Hi guys, so today we are making the slime. Wait,
I finished this Capri Sun because my throat is
Oh, here's the
bleeding.
Takis.
I have Takis. One more Taki before my throat dies. I've been craving these. Ever since Ella let me have one, I've been craving them.
Craving.
Yeah.
So, how do we start?
Alright, so, what you want to do is, first I need to finish this Taki. Alright, go. Don't get mine out. I think we should
What
do it.
is this? What is?
It's a 2-pound peppermint stuff.
Oh Jesus! I'm gonna.
Go ahead.
Take
Take whatever you want.
Nice. So how do we start? Did you finish your
Okay.
little talkie?
So what you want to do is, you want to glue
All right.
first. Like half the bottle. Or the whole bottle. Doesn't really matter. Right? That should be good. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to add some shaving cream.
Alright.
That's fine.
Can I do it?
Go ahead. I'll tell you when to stop. Good.
No. No.
Alright, so
That's
saline solution. Eye contact solution pretty much. So what you want to do is well actually no, first you want to mix.
Are you sure about
So,
that?
no. A little bit of that.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's weird. Put it yours. Alright, so then we have to add like tons of this stuff, so if you want to do it, you can. I'll tell you when to stop.
Hold on. Hold the camera.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll tell you when to stop. Good. Good.
There.
Jesus. Do you have like nail polish?
I think my mom does not.
Excuse me. Whew.
Sorry. A little bit more. Right now I need. Just want to add a little bit more glue, just cause.
We need.
Good.
Be careful. Dog's just like, give me dog.
I just want to eat it.
You look so cute.
Yeah, he does.
Wait, it's a guy.
You know what look really cute, but if he was a girl, if Douglas was a girl and we breeded him with your dog, it'd be. the
Wait,
cutest
my
puppy.
dog is a girl.
Wait, your dog is girl?
This is the boy, right?
Yeah, I already got him fixed though. We already got him fixed.
I thought this was a girl for a second.
No, he's a boy.
I was gonna look under. I'm like,
Look at his collar. It's blue.
I mean, girls, I can't look under because it's so.
Just don't. You're
Yeah.
rolling a video, had like.
Don't say my real name.
Oh, sorry.
You didn't hear that.
Hadley is a girl from school.
Yeah. No, wait. My name's Hadley. Just call me Lulu. I just hate it when your like name is revealed on camera.
Yeah, I don't like know whether like people are.
This is Veronica. Do that face again.
Alright.
Do this. Oh. So wait, do you have food coloring?
No, stop it. I know, I always get it.
So we're just gonna have white slime.
Yeah.
So how long are we gonna do this?
Oh, not that long.
Now what's next? What you doing? Excuse me. Why do you need that?
It's kind of like acting kind of solution, but when you do Tide, it like.
That look. Is it like? Hold on. I'm turning it. Hold on. Can you hold the camera? To show it on my face. So why did you put this in here? Oh my God, it's starting.
Yep.
Why'd you put this in there? Why'd you put that in there?
It makes it form.
Oh Jesus.
Do you want me to stir?
Nah, I got it. This is actually like my second time making slime, but I don't remember how to make slime. All I know is that you have those ingredients, but I don't know like their order. Yeah, there we go.
Because we don't want to be too
We're just
sticky.
like making it like a light bluish.
Kinda, yeah. Because
Instead
of
of
the
just
Tide.
like spitting this, what you have to do is like play with it for a while.
Wait, I know what we can do so you can show your face.
What?
Just show your nose. Like have the thing over the mask.
Jesus Christ. Hold on. Okay.
That.
Hold on. Show it. Don't show it again. Alright, so do you want me to like start playing with it or something?
Not yet.
Ew.
Too late. Oh wait, okay. I need to add just a little bit more. All right, stir it some more.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Is it working?
Kind of. It's still like really sticky.
Yeah, we're gonna add. All right, so stop playing with it for a second. We're gonna add some more of this.
Nom 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 nom. Hold on. It's still kind of sticky. Jesus Christ.
All right, probably put it back in the bowl if it's really sticky. Add a little bit more.
Look at my hands.
No, keep mixing it with this. Gotta keep mixing it with this.
Ew.
Do you want to hold the camera now, or do you want to wipe your paper towels over there?
You're gonna use them.
Here you go. Just do that, yeah.
I think this just makes it worse.
Dogweed. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. You don't like your face being showed on camera.
Did you show my face?
No, I'm talking about Doug.
Oh.
Dogweed. Okay, sorry.
Okay, 1 second.
Could you hold the camera?
Yeah, sure.
Cause I'm.
I'm gonna add a little bit more of this.
Good.
Or do you want a little bit more Tide?
We have to wait for the Tide.
Like traffic jam. Hey.
Right? Now what we do is. Right?
A little bit. Just like.
I'm gonna add the tiny bit. Good.
Okay.
Because we don't want it to be like too moisturized or whatever. But
I hope Logan's actually grounded.
Me too. But, yeah.
I think he is.
Yeah, he probably did punch a hole in the wall. He actually does have like anger issues and stuff like that.
Yeah, he twitches when he's like mad. Sorry,
Yeah,
we're talking about my ex-boyfriend.
He just goes like.
We literally just broke up with him today because we found out he was cheating on me.
Yeah.
Look an asshole. But I'm with a better man.
The devil's anus.
Bruh.
I get this from Thor Ragnarok. Okay?
No,
No, you don't eat that. You don't eat Sailor.
Ooh, it's witch queen.
That's the last thing you want to do, hardly. Ella,
Nom nom.
Ella said something about like, if you.
Hold on. Let me. It kind of slime, I guess. Ah, Jesus. Yeah.
You put it back in there.
It won't come off.
Then you go to the sink.
I go to the sink. 1 second.
Just don't drop your phone.
Oh God, that would be like my worst nightmare.
Yeah.
My phone just dropping into the sink. Ugh.
Your phone is like your life, kind of.
I know, right? Like, once the girl gets her first phone, she logs in, she's just like, butter, 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 butter. Next thing you know, your girl's in like in phone attack or whatever.
Yeah. One time I realized I was too much into phones, so I stopped for a second, and then I'm like, life is terrible, and then I went back on.
You're like, life is terrible, but this is her phone.
It's kind of cracked a little bit, but
You
it's
could
fine.
wait, really? Where is it cracked?
If you do.
Oh, like right there.
Oh, low battery.
Damn it. You can see my phone in there. Hi.
Yeah.
Face reveal. Nah, just kidding. I don't want to do a face reveal. Ugh.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's a knife.
No. Put it back.
Aw.
Thank you.
I was hoping I was going to cut
But
myself.
look what it says, though.
Poorly sharpened. Poorly sharpened knives. We're almost done making the slime.
Oh, good. Let me see.
Mommy.
Ooh, oh my gosh. How'd
Mommy.
you do that?
It's
Tide.
magic, sweetheart.
Tide.
All the time.
Hey, I think it's kind of
We only
ready.
did- Yeah, we only did a little bit, though. Okay. We only did.
Do you want to put a little
Tide.
bit more?
But mommy,
Good
I
job,
twisted
guys.
it. I twisted it like this, kind of. Well, it worked better before. Let me see if I
So
can do
you
it
have
again.
to have the tide in there, huh?
Yeah, it makes it a lot better. Wait. Dang it. It looked like a tornado. And remember
If you saw the video, you would be like,
Remember-
whoa.
kidding.
Remember when you saw?
Good job, guys.
Remember when we saw Thor Ragnarok?
Yeah.
As soon as I saw that, I'm like, the devil's anus. I literally said that in front of camera too.
The devil's anus. Hold on, get that thing out.
Are you like on a YouTube channel or no? Are you doing Marco Polo?
Nah.
You're just doing video on your phone.
Yeah,
Cool.
pretty much.
Okay, good.
Just like
Awesome.
move it.
Got it. And stuck on your hand already.
No. Oh, I mean, like if you touch it like that, it just like won't get on your fingers
Yeah,
that
it's fine.
much. Looks like someone's like leg, but like bouncy, just like blub, 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 blub. These nuts. Ah, shoot. Ah, I'm ruined. Can't touch my phone yet. But I can touch this Coke.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Num, num, num.
Feel this part right here. And feel like the back. You can see a difference, right?
Yeah. Hold on, it's getting like way better.
Yeah. You know, if you leave this, you can make iceberg slime by, like fluffy slime.
Oh.
But leave it in a container without, and don't keep a lid on it for 3 days straight.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long time. That'd be like the whole weekend.
Yeah.
Jesus. We'll do a video where like we're gonna show them the tree house. Maybe we could sleep over in the tree house.
I don't think that's. That'd be scary. Wouldn't
I know, you'd be
Sometimes
like-
it creaks.
Huh?
Sometimes it creaks.
Oh, jeez,
Yeah,
that
like
would
the
be
trees move sometimes. Like
that
they-
would be like really
and I'd be
creepy.
scared, scared to death.
You'd be like, have to cuddle you, and like, why? And you'd be like,
I'm scared.
I'm scared. You'd be like, fine. You'd be like, you'd be squeezing me. I'll be like, what the fuck, girl? Can you hold the camera
Yeah.
real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thanks. Don't show my face. Remember that.
Dad doesn't want his face shown, so I'll just do that.
Oh wow.
Block the eyes.
It's kind of fluffy. Touch it.
Meh. Wait, I have the perfect vine. What people are like, what normal people are like with slime. What I'm like with slime.
You didn't show it on video. Hold on, I want to do it. Normal people with slime. Me with slime. fine. Well, I'll make it to a ball.
Can I show you something? Can you hold the camera? Can I show you something?
Hold on, show this.
All right, you hold the camera.
This is actually really cool. Okay.
All right, so my friend taught me this technique before, and her name is Ella, and
Her name is Ella. Is it really right? Ella Carey.
Ella Carey, yeah.
Okay.
All right, so what we do is do this. Yes. Oh.
Can I see it? Can
You
hold
can
the
kind
camera?
of see the bubble.
Do you hold the camera now?
Yeah.
Hold the camera.
I'm trying. I gotta get the slime off. I don't want to get the slime on your phone.
Someone's phone? Look, it's magic.
He's dancing. Okay.
No, he's just like,
He's dancing.
Fridays. Your phone's ringing, by the way.
Hello.
Look. So how'd you do like?
That.
Hold
Not
on.
a good idea. Not a good idea. Dog hair everywhere.
So one of my friends, hold on, show it on the slime. One of my friends got slime in their, stuck in their hair, and it took them like 2 days to get it out.
So she had to
And
miss
to go to a
school.
barber shop. Don't show my face.
I almost did.
You showed my mouth.
Showed your mouth, yeah.
Yum, yum, yum. Hold
And
on.
like a tiny bit, like an eighth of your eye, but that was about it. An eighth.
It's like, hold on.
Not an eighth, more like a 12th.
Hold on, I got an idea.
Nom, nom, nom.
I got a really good idea. Please don't touch it. It's even.
Too late!
I know it's too late to apologize to Logan asshole.
Wait.
Hold on. Do you want to build a snowman? No. No.
Wait, can I do something? Can you hold it? I'm gonna
Sure.
Alright. So I need this one. So I'm gonna make this human type of thing, and let me just it's this
Nom, 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 nom.
It's like kind of basic. Alright, so what you do is you do this. When you get really mad at your ex, this is what you do. You see, you pretend he's a snowman and get
You be
happy
a
birthday to the
Hold on, hold the camera.
So hi guys. So today my boyfriend broke up with me. And today I'm gonna do a little technique. So I'm gonna put a little snowman, like slime, whatever.
I gotta find our
And
paperwork.
so pretend. No, stop. So this is him. So this is him. And just like, if you're mad at him, just happy birthday, boyfriend. I love you. I hate you. I hate you. Oh, okay, that's good.
Yo, look at time it is. It's like 9:45 p.m. Bitch, I'm over alone. Hold on.
We're sorry for wasting your time on this channel. Please stop.
That's it for this day's video. Don't show my face.
Don't try not to.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh god. It's stuck. Bye.